Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. And it's obviously an easy one. So let's remove everything except style. So I'll do this A, then AB, and then there will be AC. Okay, so I'll begin with star, and the star will have background, which will be this sky blue color. Then it will have position fixed, and then it will have color, which will be this white like color, a little off white, I'll say. So A, background, this color, and I will give it a width around 60 and height 100. I know it will obviously be more than 100, 200. I'm making the middle one using A, then I'll obviously slowly change which one I'm using for what. So margin 100, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, what do you do? And 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 162, 172, 168, maybe 167, 168. Okay, so we'll decrease the width to 50, and now we need to give a border radius which will be 10 pixels. Yeah, pretty much it. Maybe doing 187. Yeah, looks better. Now we'll go with B. B will have a little lesser height, which will be, we'll say, if it has a height of 200, it will have a 150. A margin 100, 100. It had a 42, then this will have around 62, 64, 66. Okay, maybe it also needs a 166 instead of. Yeah, looks better. 92, 67, 65, 66. Okay. Now I'll use box reflect, WebKit, box reflect, and it will be right 100 pixels, and we have got it. Now we need to do the same for C, and C will have a height of 100, and it will also have a margin of, I'll guess it will be 72 and 10, 82, 92, 20, 22, 24. Okay, it's more than required. 15, 16, 17, 18. I'll go with 16. And again, box, not box reflect, it is WebKit, box reflect, or we could have gone with box shadow straight away, and it will be 100 cube and 0. 200q, 300q, pixel, yeah. I'll change it here also. Box, not box reflect, box shadow, and it will be 100 pixel and 0. 150. Let's submit it and let's see what score we get. I didn't even realize when I started with WebKit box. So we need to do something with the margin. 166.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 166.5 looks quite promising. And here it is only from above, so 166.5. And here also it is from side, so 116.5. Any better? Currently it's 585.72. And yes, it is a 100% match now straight away. That's weird. Okay, so now we have a score of 639.09. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.